We are here on a blustery Monday, and we are preparing for a test. Don't forget, like, subscribe, hit the bell. We have our second part of our polynomials. All right. So first thing we have to do is put this into standard form. Okay. Standard form. Got it? Yeah. Okay. Good job. So, which this should be a review because remember, standard form is highest exponent to the least exponent. All right. So once we have that, we can answer the rest of it. I shouldn't be yawning. Let's take a pop of this coffee. All right. So is this degree, what is this degree? 5. Okay. You get 2 points for saying that. Good job. Is 5 even or odd? Odd. Again, get another 2 points for that. Your LC, that means leading coefficient. That is this number right here. Okay. Is that positive or negative? Negative. All right. So now, all I did for right now for my orange sheet for this part up here is I actually saw some people that they copied it down. You just may want to tweak this, that this, this is up and this is down. Yeah. Yeah. You follow the one on top. The question was, do you follow the one? Yeah. You follow the one that says f of x. So like if you had whiteout, like let's just imagine I had digital whiteout. Nobody caught that. So imagine I had digital whiteout because they're on the left and right side of the graph. And if you can't tell what's left and right side, I mean, up, down, touch the ground, just like Pooh Bear said, we should be okay. All right. So we go back. So this is odd and negative. So that means the left of the graph, it should go which direction? Up or down? Degree odd, negative. Are you sure? Yeah, it's up. Oh man, y'all are killing me with this. Yeah, it should go up, then down because my degree is odd, my leading coefficient is negative. Okay, I just follow the chart. Now, I saw a few people, they wrote degree odd, LC positive, uh, this up, or this down, this up. However you want to do it. Okay, it's your orange sheet. It doesn't have to be like mine. Okay. Though I know a lot of y'all are like, but your orange sheet's so much better than mine. Well, it probably should be because I'm a math teacher, but All right, number 2. Thank you. So this should be 4x to the 4th plus x squared plus 3. All right. So what is this degree? 4. Okay. Is 4 even or odd? Even. All right. Our LC, leading coefficient. That means this number right here. Is this positive or negative? Positive. Okay. We have to answer those 4 questions before we can actually get to the main 2 things of this. I know it's crazy. It's just bear with us. Okay. So degree even, LC positive. Let's see, degree even, LC positive. This one is up and up. Okay. So I'm coming up. There we go. That's not actually how the song goes, but we're going to say it is. Okay. Now, again, if I've put that in Schoology. All of our notes are in Schoology. All the completed notes, all the videos, all that kind of stuff. Okay. If you need old, everything from last week is in that folder up underneath the dark green sheets from today. Every single color. Okay. How many of y'all noticed there were actually more calculators in the calculator corrals today? Yeah, and not all of them were yeller. Some of them were the Stormtrooper gray, but they all had my name on them and written nicely in permanent marker. And then my minions actually used this as clear fingernail polish. So if anybody wants this clear fingernail polish, you can have it later because I don't need it. So hopefully, I don't know why people would want to steal an $18 calculator. Yeah. Uh, yeah, they're $18 now. They used to be 12 4 years ago. I'll just stop it there. All right, so this is what we do. We're gonna write it like this. It goes a little something like this. Hit it. Na 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 na. All right. And we're going to take the opposite of -4. So the opposite of -4 is +4. All right. What we're trying to get, and there was a problem that we did Friday. I did it 3 times in class. I got the same answer, and then I did it again in the afternoon, and I got a different answer. And I think that's funny. That I was wrong 3 times in the morning. We just type it into the calculator. Just like I have written it. Maybe my big fat fingers will do it right. All right. Did anybody get a number that was like this, something that was not 0? Sure. I heard a sure and I heard a yes. Okay. If we get a number that's not 0, we just circle. You got 0 for that one? All right. Let's try this again. I see. I missed something. I saw it that time. I didn't put a plus sign. I told you. Listen, it's hard to maneuver these sausage link fingers, okay? Especially on a touch screen. Ah! We did get a 0. Yeah, I missed that plus between the 2, 4 to the third, and the 5 right there. All right, so it is a 0. So we just circle yes. Okay. And then for the next one, third minus 28x squared plus 29x plus 140. Let's use orange because there's something in the orange, isn't there? He didn't even play something in orange. Some of my students went and saw the Zach Bryan concert, and he didn't play the something in orange. Womp womp. Miss Sparks, will you check me out of school? Now, it was the opposite. So this is +7. So the opposite of +7 is -7. All right. Did y'all get something that looked like this? Did y'all get a no on this one? Okay. Yeah. So we got a no because this is -2, 4, 6, 4. Okay. So things that you could write for part 2 for this. I'm going to cheat because I can. Because I've got the technology. I have the power. Opposite. Yep. It's Italian. Opposite to plug in. Zero is yes. Number is no. Okay. Now, that's it could look like mine. Miss Sparks said she said opposite to plug in. Zero is yes. Number is no. Hers is more bullet pointed. I like it. You may like it. You know, everybody's different. Oh, look, it's like Inception. There's like two of me. All right. Now, scientific notation. Remember, same thing right here. We do the opposite. Opposite of -4 is +4, and we put it in the timeout box. But the coefficients, drop it down. I feel a major dad sneeze coming on, and I'm trying to not do it right now. Like I feel like it's one of those like I may like dislocate a rib. Yeah. So I said 4 times 1 is 4, and I added now 4 times 12 is 48. And what's funnier than 48? 49. Thank you for the small chuckle. All right, so this problem started with the x squared, so we have to start our answer with one less. So x plus 12 with a remainder of 49. Okay? X plus 12 with a remainder of 49 because we ran out of numbers right here. Now, I I don't know what yours would look like. I would probably grab one of these examples and write in each step at an angle. I don't know how to actually tell you how to write part 3 for this. Uh, will vary. I mean, I'm afraid to put a whole bunch of stuff because the more that I put on there, the more I'm afraid I'm going to confuse y'all. Because I would confuse myself. Yes. What? How did I get 12? All right, what's 8 plus 4? Mm-hmm. Yep. Yep. I just combined because these are both positive. Yep. All right. All right. There's something missing. There's something missing right here. What's missing? Yeah, x to the first, or the x term. So we have to put a 0 right here in the middle. So 3 times 1 is 3. Okay. We're going to I say combine because, you could have positive, you can have negatives. It could be red, it could be blue, it could be violet, sky. Okay. So it could be hurtful, it could be purple, it could be anything you like. So, so, just combine with your signs. This again, these are both positive, so I'm going to combine, and then we're going to have 18. Okay. So this started with x squared, or x to the second. So x to the first plus 3, remainder of 18. All right, good number 6. Again, I don't know how y'all would need to do that. All right. Now, part 4. Part 4 is a little bit easier for the orange sheet. Okay. What I did for my orange sheet is I actually grabbed the definitions that we had from our notes. Okay. I grabbed the definitions. Okay. And I have to look at the problems to see, hey, is this one a subtraction or is it a plus, to see what form I'm going to use. All right. And, the A terms are going to be easy because they're probably going to be an X, right? Yeah. The B terms, we're going to have to use our calculator to find the cube roots. And that's, you may want to put on here, second, raise the roof, number. Oh, hang on. It's 3-second, raise the roof, number, enter. That's actually the code to use for these calculators right here. Okay. That's how to take the cube root. To take cube root. Okay. What? Huh? Yeah, sorry. Y'all would think it's like a hashtag. Yeah, it's the number, like whatever the number is. Okay. So like this one right here, this is subtraction. So we know we're going to have something like this plus bye. Thanks for coming. Tell your friends. All right. All right. That's the form that we're going to plug stuff in. All right. Our A term is going to be X. Okay. Because X, the cube root of X is X. Okay. So we plug in X, X, X. And then we clean it up. Well, this is X. This is X squared. And X goes here. Whoop, I need to make some room. All right. Now, the cube root. Well, the cube root of 27, that's when in the calculator we would hit 3, second, raise the roof, 27, and enter. Okay? That's how we would find the cube root of that. Well, let's put our math where our mouth is. I don't know. I thought it was going to sound better. It sounded better in my head because, it echoes because it's so large. So 3, second, raise the roof, 27, enter. So I took the cube root and I got 3. So for this one, our B is going to be 3 because that's this term. So 3, 3, and 3. Well, 3 goes here, 3 goes here. Well, 3 squared is 9, and that goes there. Ta-da! Wow. Huh? Yep. Because in the definition that we had, see how it has B squared in both of these? And I plugged it in. It was 3 squared. Well, 3 times 3 is 9. All right. Now, this number 8 is the sum of two cubes, which we talked about it. The main difference in our definition is literally those signs right there. That's it, is those signs. It's the same pattern, just those signs. Okay. So let's set it up. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, dun, dun. Give me chocolate cake. This should be a subtraction. All right. So kind of the same thing. Our A for this one is going to be x because it's in this spot. All right, so let's fill it in. All right. So we have to take the cube root. Oh, biscuits. I made a mistake. I keep on making a mistake. All right. Cube root of 343. All right. So that means 3 second, raise the roof, 343, enter. Okay. 3 second, raise the roof, 343, enter. Yep. So we should get 7. So 7, 7, 7. So 7 goes here, 7 goes here. Now this one says 7 squared. So 7 times 7 is 49. All right, are we good with number 8? Wait for number 8. Mm-hmm. Yeah, you actually write what 7 times second is. Yeah. Because, you know, we could actually write like, that's supposed to have a parenthesis within a parenthesis, but I don't, yeah, I just don't do that. All right, we good now? Yeah, check that box and move on. All right, I actually made a problem you can factor this time. What? All right, so remember the 5th of November. This and this is going to look different because this determines, like, if you say box, you're going to have box work here. If you said grouping, you're going to have group work here. These two should look different, okay, based on what you have. All right. But this, we should all have the same. No. I'm sorry. No, sorry. I'm writing down the answer to the. No, huh? I mean, I can skip through it. Now, which method do you want me to use? You don't care. You just want me to do one. All right. So I'm doing box because I want to. This is why we can't have nice things. All right. So 3x to the third plus x squared. I thought I had actually done this. I had, but this is the wrong piece of paper I had. That was funny. All right, so this would be x squared. This would be plus 3. This would be 3x, and this would be 1. So our factored form should be x squared plus 3 and 3x plus 1 equals 0. Okay, so I just did mine by the box method. Okay, you could have done factored by grouping. That's fine. Ever since I've been shown the box method, I've loved it. Okay, it just makes my little crazy brain just very happy. Okay. Now, if you need to come back later and have me show, I think we actually have time right quick. I could actually do the grouping. What? No, I'm still on number 9. Sorry. All right. So there's the grouping if somebody wanted to see the grouping. So now it's done. Both both houses are happy. And now I don't know. I think I have a couple of students that have voodoo dolls of me because I get these weird pains in my back at night. It can't because I'm getting older. Must be those fake TikTok accounts mad because I'm not being friends with them. Must be those fake TikTok accounts mad because I won't be friends with them. Oh, I made a response to that and posted it Saturday, which I thought was hilarious. Brooke saw it this morning. She thought it was funny too. And I've gotten more of those fake accounts, I think, since then. Oh, it's funny. All right. You just have to watch it. All right. Number 10. So we're going to use our answer from number 8 to set this up. So let's go back up here to number 8, grab our answer from number 8. So all right, so set up the binomial. All right, y'all pay attention. This one's super duper crazy hard. You ready? Here's the binomial. Ready? Whew. Oh, oh, oh. I don't know if I'm going to make it now. Oh, oh. All right, and now this one, because this one's our trinomial. We have to say A equals 1, B equals -7, C equals 49. And then our last part, we're going to say use quad formula. And we're done. Yep. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. All right, don't forget, hit like, hit subscribe, hit the bell. Good stuff. Good things. Real time.